Hello everyone and welcome to another LBSC Railway production video. And in today's video, I'll be unboxing this train wheel box that you see before you. Now from the title of the video, you can probably already tell what I'm going to be doing a short review and unboxing of. Due to me working a new job and I got sick for a week recently, and that's why I'm still sniffling here and there. This hasn't got unboxed yet. So in today's video, we're going to be doing unboxing and short little review of Sir Topham Hatt's car. I did pre-order this item, and I actually did got it before Train Tours of Fun. However, due to the reasons that I just mentioned, that is why this hasn't got unboxed yet. So, if you want me to do a review of Toby, because I recently got Toby too, just let me know in the comments below if you want to see a review unboxing of Toby. Now, with all that said, let's start unboxing this train wheel box. And for the reasons mentioned, that's also why you haven't seen much content from me of late. Going to try to make sure that I do Stanley on time. So here is Sir Topham Hatt's car in the packaging. And I must say, it's very nice. Look at that. Got some little red lights in the back too. Nice. Trying to focus in on that, sorry. So, let's go unbox this now. And then we'll point out some little details that this has. Now, I did not know this was actually going to be this small. So, actually, I think this car is actually in scale for HO scale, because it is actually very small. Let's just compare it to Toby real quick. Yeah, look how small that is compared to Toby. Now, it's maybe a little bit harder to tell with the camera, but it is very small compared to a HO scale train. And here it is. Here's Sir Topham Hatt's car. And you can see we got some headlights right here. And don't mind that, that's just a notification from my phone. We got a little grill right here. And some, what did they call that again? Got some ditch lights here. And it's very nice. The paintwork is very nice. Can roll it around. It's not a very smooth roller, but of course this is just mainly to just stick on your layout for a piece of scenery. It's very, very nice. I like how they did a little bit of shine on the windshield. That's a very nice touch. So there's Sir Topham car. So I will try to do not a late review for Stanley, because Stanley's the real big item that I'm waiting for. But anyways, hope you all enjoyed this little unboxing review, and goodbye for now.